push.
Hi, good evening.
Hi, welcome to Woolworths.
Oh, thank you very much. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Please scan these things. I'm very much in a hurry. Thank you.
That is going to be 4,000 rand, 658 cents. Is it going to be a card or cash?
I'm going to be paying with a card, a black card.
Alright.
Okay, let me take it out of my wallet. Please be gentle. It's a very elegant card. Please don't scratch it.
Please enter your PIN.
It's not going to decline. I have 60,000 rand in my bank account. I shouldn't even be swiping. I have so much money.
It says card declined.
How is it declining? I have 60,000 rand in my bank account. Try it again. Try it again. Yes, I can have a card that's declining. I can have a card that's declining. I won't try it.
Alright, here you go.
Oh, I knew my card wasn't declining.
Yo, Zanjira, I wouldn't cut an phone next. Can my feeling was hang?
Hi. Wakakutumba.
Yeah.
Njani?
Right, put it in.
Ngizobhadala. Ay.
It's also 25 rand, but I ain't cut my cash.
Bhatala ngekhadi obvious imali ekhadi phela ingenile izola. Ay.
That is okay, you can't do shame as feel as. Pin yakho.
Anike roba na-attitude zokuswabisa mina ngisungumama yakho.
Yadidlana futhi. Next customer please.
Hey but sithi diclana kanjani kusho imali ekhadi zangi-reflect icela uzame futhi.
But yabona ukuthi lena kangakanani ngemuva kwakho and uphisa melana ngicela ukuthi nje ungithi ngicela ukuthi ushiya nje ungangibhori.
No.
Engadaba mina ukuthi ubhina umuthi ungibhori nje mina ngicela ukuthi uhambe.
No sithi imali ekhadi zangingene kusho ukuthi zangi-reflect icela ukuthi ungizame futhi ngiyacela.
Imali egranti. Hayi shem. Ungazi nabhora. Hayi. Fuck. Yadidlana futhi.
Hayi bo sisi. Hayi bo yo sisi nenhliziyo embi khohlakele nonyayezwa. Yo yes sis nenhliziyo embi umdaka.
Yazi abantu basezwana babhoha. Yo.